Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Short sentences for kids starts with I. I play with my sister. I say hello to everyone. I have a toy. I am Tom. I like my house. I spend good time with my parents. I run fast. I am writing. I can jump high. I am going to school. I can recognize different numbers. I like to play. I read a book. I can clap my hands. I can swim. I have a red floor. I can sing. I draw a beautiful picture of a home. I like to smile. I love my family. I open the door. I help my mother in the kitchen. I talk to my father. I drink milk. I hug my friend. I like to listen to stories from my grandmother. I share my toys. I watch TV. I study with my brother. I say thank you. I learn new things from stories. I write letters neatly. I draw very well. I raise my hand. I listen to my teacher attentively. I do my homework. I play with my friends. I recognize letters. I wake up early in the morning. I water the floors. I eat my breakfast. I brush my teeth twice a day. I have an umbrella. I fly a kite. I play football. I feel glad to see a rainbow. I ride a bicycle. I pluck fruit from trees. I jump with my friend. I wear a raincoat. I have a beautiful butterfly on my finger. I feel happy in the garden in the morning. I use an umbrella in the rain. I make a snowman. I see the moon in the sky. I feed the birds. flowers. I like flowers. I can feel the air. I clean my room. I make my bed. I help my teacher. I switch on the light. I like to eat fruits. I wave my hand to my friends. I make a tower with the blocks. I dance to music. I paint very well. I draw a rainbow on the paper. I water the plants. I take care of my pet.